Wuoi makoro ni e loch sani ni. Mane adieri mar wach. Wadwa pili wadwa dok e opposition. Wadwa sebedo e opposition higni te. Wan ni kama wagi e 2027. Waol gi opposition. Jomoko wagi e opposition. Wadwa loso sirikal mondo wakel kanye. Tuko tayari. Tuko tayari.
Habari zenu, muko vipi? Habari zenu na muko vipi? Mambo inazidi kuchemuka kwa ODM na things are now becoming so tricky. Why do I say this? ODM imepasuka, na niliambia nyinyi kwa episode ambayo ilipita that the more ODM inazidi kupasuka inapea Ruto manage ya kuwin 2027 general election without no compliment, without any doubt that Ruto anaweza baki. Ruto is going to win with the landslide votes over 5 million extra because Ruto hajapata competitor yake. And this one, I want to tell the reality that Ruto has not got his competitor. And ODM went with Sifuna. Sifuna amebeba ODM akaenda nayo. Na sahi mambo itazidi kuchemuka. I want to explain the reason why Gladys Wanga may be a one-term governor. I want to tell you here. And I want to tell you also why Junet Mohamed cannot win Suna East parliamentary seat. It's going to be very hard on his side for him to win parliamentary seat in Suna East. And Gladys Wanga is going to be very hard on his side for him to win the gubernatorial in Homa Bay County. You hear me? Okay. Sifuna, Babu Owino, James Orengo. These people, they don't want to work with Rais Ruto. Na hapa ndio Gladys Wanga, Junet Mohamed, Ali Hassan Joho, Oburu Oginga want to work with the government, but their demand President William Samoei Arap Ruto will not agree with. Now I want to tell you why these people watabaki kwa giza. And I want to tell you also, those who will run with UDA with UDA tickets, and those who will run with hii chama ambayo bado haijulikani itakuwa chama gani, hii side ya Babu Owino, Gladys Sifuna, James Orengo, Caleb Amisi. We still don't know the leader in this team, but these people, they want to support Kalonzo. And I want to tell you, these people, they are going to create a coalition. The coalition will be Wiper and this team, the ODM, because ODM imekuwa splitted. So we still don't know itakuwa ODM asili, I don't know itakuwa ODM nini. I don't know, I still don't know. But these people they are going to wanaenda kuungana pamoja watengeneza coalition moja. Na hii coalition will be so much powerful. But hiyo haimaanishi Ruto will not win. Ruto is still going to beat these people. Let's talk for these small positions like MCAs, senator, MPs, women rep, something like that. Between UDA party and Sifuna's party and Babu Owino's party, we still don't know this chama itaitwa aje, lakini these 4 people wakitoa wale watarana chama yao, they are going to win in Luo Nyanza. They are going to win with the landslide. Mombasa, even Mombasa, because you people muliona pale wakati ODM wakinoburu walikuwa pale Tononoka. Uliona they were chatting Sifuna. Sifuna. Walikuwa naimba tu Sifuna. Na leo today's news imenishangaza. Imagine Gladys Wanga alikuwa Nyando. Hey. Watu wanaita Babu Owino. That's enough evidence to prove that it's going to very hard for Gladys Wanga to maintain his seat. Itakuwa nuru gizani. Even Boyd Were must be very careful. Mwenye atarudi kwa siti yake ambaye naona. We have this guy called Karoli Omondi. Karoli Omondi is going to maintain his seat. Caleb Amisi is going to maintain his seat. Onyonka is going to maintain his seat for senatorial. Sifuna is going to maintain his seat. Babu Owino anatoka kwa MP, anarudi kwa ugavana. He may win governorship, gubernatorial Nairobi. But he's also going to work for so long. Unless he works with William Ruto. Furthermore, Nairobi government ilishapelekwa kwa national government. So, what I wanted to say here is that hii party ambayo Babu Owino, Sifuna, Remti Orengo, Karoli Omondi, Ozonzi, Caleb Amisi, these people, hii chama wanakuja nayo itakuwa more powerful, itakuwa strong opposition like ile iko Uganda. Lakini opposition ambayo haiko na say, iko tu na say kwa hizi chama ndogo, kwa hizi sit ndogo ndogo. Unaelewa? So we must think twice. But that Sifuna is demanding Raila. According to my view, Sifuna is going to be demanding Raila. And Sifuna atasumbua sana. Batobaya wale wanawasupport through their votes. Whoever cheated Oburu Ginga, whoever cheated Oburu Ginga, atowe Sifuna, alimudanganya. Hamukufikiria vizuri. Mutaona nuru gizani. Hey. Mimi wacha ninyamaze. Lakini Gladys Wanga, na vile umekosana na deputy yako, unaenda nyumbani. Gladys Wanga unaenda home direct. Junet, you are going home. Junet Mohammed, it is going to very hard on your side to campaign in Suna East. Because there are some rumors going around huku na kule ya kwamba wewe ndio ulikula pesa agent. You can't run away from the reality. You are the person who make Raila fail or fall downfall. You So we must all come to an agreement that the person who will vie with the UDA ticket in Suna East may win with the landslide votes. And the person also will vie with this party ambayo inakuja strongest, pia may win the landslide. It depends ni nani, who is that person, because Junet, kulingana na venye naona mimi mambo, Junet ame lose hope. Is going home. Junet anaenda nyumbani. Gladys Wanga unaenda nyumbani. Joe, kweni makini, nyinyi pia mnaenda nyumbani. Opiyo Wandayi, you are going home. John Mbadi, hiyo pesa inarudi Central. It is very unfortunate that Ruto is not going to listen for you people. There's non-negotiable. Because you people, Luos, you only have 2 million votes. Usidhani Ruto ni mijinga. Ruto pia anaangalia ile akichukua deputy atatoka na ayu deputy anachukua ataleta kura ngapi kwa table. The big problem now, Gladys Wanga ni kura gani ataleta kwa Ruto? Junet na ile kura gani ataleta kwa Ruto? Ni kura gani? Burudinga utaleta kura gani kwa Ruto? Hakuna. John Mbadi hakuna. Ali Hassan Joho hakuna. But you want to tell me Sifuna and Baba Wino cannot bring some votes to William Ruto? Anaweza leta, because Sifuna is the first lawyer ambayo amependwa hadi course. Nilishangaa. But let's meet to the next episode. Nataka uone hiyo video, muniambie, anataka comment yako hapo chini, uniambie wewe unaona hii kitu aje. Thank you. Subscribe.
Wuoyi makoro ni e clutch sani ni. Mani adieri mar wach. Wadwa dok e opposition. Wadwa sebedo e opposition higni te. Wan ni kama 2027. Waol gi opposition. Jomoko wadhi e opposition.